Have you ever seen somebody who is stressed out and someone said, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe? Guess what? That's great advice. When you breathe, you are calming your nervous system, and then you tune in to the peace of your spiritual nature. So I want to share with you a secret hack of a breath technique that will help you turn anxiety into peace. In fact, there's been research, for instance, in the Journal of Clinical Psychology, that said people struggling with anxiety through regular breath work have reduced their symptoms 58%. 58%. And so when you do some regular breathing, you can really transform your being and experience greater peace. So here's a very simple hack for you. Breathe in. You want to breathe in through your belly. In fact, place your hands on your belly and try to have your hands move away as you inhale. And breathe into a certain number, whether it's 6, 8, 10, whatever your capacity is. Breathe it into a number, hold it to that same number, and then exhale to that same number. So breathe in, let's say 6, for instance. Let's do it now. Breathe in to a count of 6. Hold 6. Exhale 6. Do that 10 times, and I guarantee you're going to feel more peaceful.